I've always wanted to do that. Hey, this is Terry from Obsidian Perspective. I'm feeling very energetic this morning. It's been a very productive day, and I'm on my way to do a live stream with Akasan. What's going on? Looks like we have security over here. I might have to get going. Trying to see what I'm doing. All right, carry on. Anyways, yes, I'm on my way over to Akasan's place to do a live stream. And yeah, this morning has been a very productive morning. I worked out, did some teleworking from the house, did a couple of stuff like that. We're gonna live stream a watch party. We're gonna watch the Harley Quinn Birds of Prey movie. If you didn't know, movies in Japan often premiere late. Birds of Prey premiered earlier this year in America, and it just now came out in Japan. Yeah, it just now came out in Japan. And now it's actually available for streaming back in the US. So with a VPN, good internet, and his big ass TV, we're gonna chill, watch the movie, stream it for his fans, and yeah, I just thought I'd take you along for the ride. So with that being said, let's get into it. Thank you. Hey, what's going on?
Welcome. Just mosaic out the exit. Yeah.
This is relevant here. What is this? Prime Studio got this together.
Prime Studio.
You can see their faces up there.
There was so much going on.
Yeah.
True that. Because that's what it's like.
You know what always trips me out? The fact that this stays right here.
Without dropping.
Well, not without dropping, but like it's not in your frame when you do your videos. Most people put it in the background.
It's kind of superficial. Like, I think people overthink it too much. Like, there's people that have far more subscribers than me that get less views, and then there's people with far less subscribers than me that get 10 or...
There we go!
こんにちは。お待たせしました。
はい。
お二つですね。
は
はい、熱いんで気をつけてください。和風チキン、はい。
Waffle chicken. Waffle chicken.
Oh yes! This was dope! I don't care what anyone says.
What's up, guys? What's going up? What's going on? Oh, there we go. Comics Plus, what's going on? My name is Akasan.
Hey, it's Terry from Obsidian Perspective.
Wow. Yeah, this is weird. Like, you guys can't see it. You guys can't see it, but I installed some LED lights in here. And here we are. This is a very special edition just for Patreon here of Harley Quinn, Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn, and the fabulous emancipation of one Harley. Nice. And she catches. Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Wait, are you serious?
Yes. The message is in a Fortnite game.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Whoa!
How about to flip a table if we had a table?
to do that. And we will talk to you later. Okay, take care. Peace. That went well, man. Let me see what you guys have to say. What you got to say? What you got to say?
Okay. Can I see it? Is it working? Yeah, okay. I just finished up shooting with that guy.
Hey, we're done. Otsukare sama desu.
Yes.
We are finished for today. That's a wrap.
That is done.
That's how we do it every week, right?
Yeah, you can check it out. We did some reactions that'll probably be up sooner than the Patreon stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Okay, hey, that's a wrap. I just finished up doing my reaction with Akasan. I just left this place. I have a transfer between one train to another here at Kawasaki, so I thought I'd stop by the movie theaters anyways. Yeah, so there's a mall in between my transfer, so I thought I'd just stop by the theater anyways, which is upstairs, pick up some posters, some snacks, and then head home. Today was a really productive day. Like I said, went over to Akasan's place. We live streamed our reactions to Birds of Prey, so you can check out his channel for more details on that. So anyways, like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more material like this. And like I said before, stay safe and stay motivated. Oh, and don't forget to check out my blog at obsidianperspective.com. There's more there, okay? I'll see you with the next one.